डॉक्टर सीवी रमन का जन्म दिवस है आज, तो इस अवसर पर मैं वरीय शिक्षक माननीय मलिक को आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी कि कृपया दिया प्रज्वलित करते हुए डॉक्टर सीवी रमन को श्रद्धासुमन अर्पित करें। सर, साथ ही साथ मैं बहुत करना चाहूँगी और समस्त शिक्षक शिक्षिकाओं को मैं यहाँ पर आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी, कृपया यहाँ पर आए और डॉक्टर सीवी रमन के फोटो चित्र पर श्रद्धासुमन अर्पित करें।
जब मैं जाऊंगी तो थोड़ी देर के लिए वीडियो कर दोगे? हाँ ठीक है।
उल्टा
इधर से फोटो तो ठीक आ रहा है, तो बहुत अच्छा जीवा
मोबाइल में
हम मोबाइल उनको लगा के टैग देना और रोशनी नहीं काम करता।
इधर बहुत रोशनी है इसमें,
थोड़ा ज़्यादा रोशनी आ रही है उस साइड की चीज़ की वजह से।
गिलास से चिमनी अलग से आई है।
ये घर का सब घर का ही है।
हैं? नहीं मैंने ये गिलास का कट के है या कोई गिलास खराब हो गया?
ऐसा सिस्टम है, बड़ा वाला लाइन स्कूल का।
अच्छा
गुरुसी का है ना बढ़िया। एक्चुअली मैं था नीचे से पहले
वो भी मुझे लगा, लेकिन उन्होंने गला दिया केमिकल डाल के नीचे से खत्म कर दिया उसका।
लेकिन बीबी से मना नहीं करेंगे सब चीज़।
करिए सही सर्विस
मना नहीं करेंगे।
यार भाई कुछ लोग लाइट में, कुछ लोग शेविंग करके आए थे। क्या विषय
वीडियो उधर से लेना था।
गुड्लू आजा, गुड्लू चप्पल खोल के आजा, चप्पल खोल।
जय
हाँ
आइए आप लोग फोटोग्राफी करें।
बाबू
इधर से
ग्रुप में ले लीजिए।
आइए
आइए सर।
I am Vipul Mandi of class 9, Johar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Purulia. On the occasion of National Science Day, I would like to share my thoughts. Every year we celebrate National Science Day on 28th February to honor our Nobel laureate Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman for his invention of the Raman effect through his experiments on the scattering of light. Nation pays tribute and expresses gratitude to C.V. Raman and to all the scientists on this day for their brilliancy and dedication. It is a day which attracts many young minds to take up science as their career and a day to see novel scientific achievement. The basic objective of National Science Day is to spread the message of importance of science and its application among the people. This is essential to accelerate the pace of development. On 28th February, C.V. Raman announced the discovery of the Raman effect at the Indian Institute of Science in Bangalore. Sir C.V. Raman was honored with the first prestigious Nobel Award in 1930. Hence, the National Science Day holds great significance for Indian science and scientific community. Science has contributed a great deal to human welfare. It has enabled man to acquire intellectual and mental excellence. It helps inculcate scientific temper among school children. The daily application of science, like the use of clean drinking water, knowledge to eradicate contagious disease, the know-how of various agricultural practices to increase crop production, the usefulness of the biodiversity conservation, etc., should be disseminated to the future generation. Thank you. Jai Hind.
भाषण सुने चंद्रशेखर वेंकट रमन के बारे में। अब मैं कक्षा सप्तम का छात्र तनिष कुमार बैठा को यहाँ पर आमंत्रित करती हूँ कि वो आज इस अवसर पर 2 शब्द बोले।
respected principals and teachers, and my all dear brothers and sisters. On behalf of National Science Day, I am going to say something about C.V. Raman, the great Indian physicist Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman, popularly known as C.V. Raman. At the age of 12 years, his parents wanted to send him for England for his higher study, but his poor health did not allow him to go to England. So he studied in Hindu College in Visakhapatnam and Presidency College of Madras. He got Nobel Prize in Physics. This was a very great movement for India. Thank you.
धन्यवाद तनीश। अब मैं हमारे विद्यालय की छात्रा कक्षा द्वादश की छात्रा अफीफा को यहाँ पर ऑनलाइन में आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी कि वो आज इस विज्ञान दिवस के अवसर पर 2 शब्द बोले।
Time. At that period of time, a boy from middle class family came from Myanmar who worked hard for his passion and finally was awarded with 7 awards, and among them he even got a Nobel Prize in physics and for his novel phenomenon of
स्क्रीन बेटा फुल नहीं आ रहा है, तुम्हारा स्क्रीन फुल नहीं आ रहा है बाबू, तुम्हारा स्क्रीन ठीक है, ओके गो कैरी ऑन।
Among them, he even got a Nobel Prize for his phenomenon of light scattering in physics, which he finally named as Raman effect. Yes, everyone, I'm talking about Dr. Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman, who was a first Indian to get an award in physics. And so, good morning, everyone. And I am here we all have united here to celebrate the National Science Day in his memory. Dr. Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman was with us from 7th November 1888 till 21st November 1970. And in his life, he achieved many rewards and awards for his discoveries and talent. Let me throw some light upon his effect and his discoveries, which gave the boon to optics and wave theories in modern physics. The Raman effect is the process of scattering of light particles by molecules of a medium. The scattering occurs due to a change in the wavelength of light as it enters the medium. When a beam of light travels through a dust-free transparent chemical, a small fraction of light emerges in the direction other than where it should be. So, with all these, we all are reminded with things, and we feel proud that the Dr. C.V. Raman was the first non-white person to get a Nobel Prize in Physics, which made a history for India. So, I conclude my speech with this, and thank you, and have a blessed day.
आज के इस परम पावन शुभ अवसर पर मैं अपने सभी साथियों को अभिनंदन करता हूं और बतलाता हूं कि आज साइंस डे के रूप में जो हम लोग सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, रियली आज का जो हमारा लाइफ है वह कम्प्लीटली साइंस बेस्ड हो गया है। इसीलिए वी आर बाउंड टू एक्सेप्ट द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ साइंस। दैट्स व्हाई वी शुड बी everybody should be encouraged to celebrate Science Day so that our life will be fast and grow properly. Thank you.
धन्यवाद सर। तो आज हमारे विद्यालय के विज्ञान विभाग के भौतिक विज्ञान के शिक्षक श्री अवधेश कुमार बेटा को मैं यहाँ पर आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी कि आज इस दिवस के महत्व के बारे में आप सभी को संबोधित करें।
Respected Principal Sir, members of staff and dear students. So because of this COVID-19 we are in the online mode, but if you remember the days when you were in the school, we used to celebrate Science Day in a befitting manner, but this was the formality which we have to do. But in real life, science has a very important role to play. And when we talk of C.V. Raman, already the three speakers, Afifa, Ipil and Tanis has given a brief idea about C.V. Raman work. So today I will not highlight on what he did, but I will focus on the importance that after India getting its recognition, only one person has got Nobel Prize in Science, that is our great C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman, you can think he, from his matriculation only, he got matriculation at the age of 12 only. And he got many prizes all over the world. He went for delivering lecture to all the prominent universities of the world. So with his limited available laboratories, he could discover Raman effect. And Raman effect, to understand Raman effect, explains the blue color of ocean water, explains the color of sky, why it is blue, and more than that, it has helped to study, this Raman effect helps to study around more than 200 molecular structures of different materials. So in this way, he was awarded as from Bharat Ratna. He was awarded Bharat Ratna also. He was the member of Fellow Royal Society. In very short period of time, he has done a lot of works in science, not only on the basis, only on Raman effect, but in all sphere of physics he has contributed a lot. So I will not take more of your time, but it is a time we need to think that after getting independence also almost 70 years has gone, but no of our countrymen has been nominated for what's called Nobel Prize. So as a student of science, you should take priority in research-based study, not only mugging of the content which are given to us. So I first thank all my staff members and all the students who have joined us online to celebrate this National Science Day. So I congratulate all of you on this occasion. So here I have here from the on behalf of school side, we have conducted a quiz program, we have conducted a speech and science exhibition. It was conducted not this time, but it was conducted a few days back. So I will be announcing the result, and when you will be coming back to the school after this COVID-19, then you will be getting certificates and prize for your participation. So first let me announce the result of the quiz. The first rank for quiz goes to Supriya Mahto of class 11. Supriya Mahto of class 11. Second in quiz is Biplab Das, and third is Bimal Kumar Mahto. All these are class 11 students, so I appreciate all these three students for getting first, second, third. And actually many students have participated in quiz, but we have seen the response. The one who gave the response early were given to first prize, depending upon the score he have obtained in the quiz program. Next one is the speech, which you have seen today. FIFA has delivered very nicely, so she is getting first prize for it will on her recorded version. She is getting second prize, and Sunny, who was live today, got the third prize. In science exhibition, Anindita of class 7 will be getting certificate and prize when you will be coming back. So again, once again, I thank you each and one of you for being present in this National Science Day programs. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
धन्यवाद सर। आज आप सभी ऑनलाइन पर यहाँ पर उपस्थित रहकर जो हमारे प्रोग्राम में अपनी उपस्थिति दर्ज कराए, आप सभी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और हमारे विद्यालय के विज्ञान विभाग को भी बहुत तहे दिल से धन्यवाद देती हूँ। और साथ ही साथ आप सभी अपने बहुमूल्य समय देकर इस कार्यक्रम में भाग लिए, आप सभी को पुनः बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।